Hi guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Asia FX trades slightly before US inflation data euro surges. By Amber Warwick, Investing.com, most Asian currencies moved little on Monday as caution kicked in ahead of key US inflation data due this week, while the euro extended its rally on expectation of more sharp interest rate hike by the European Central Bank. The Japanese yen rose 0.1% while the South Korean won 0.2%. Pressure on most Asian currencies eased after the dollar fell further from a 20-year high hit last week. But a market holiday in China and Hong Kong keep regional trading volumes depressed. The dollar index sank 0.4% to 108, while dollar index future also fell in a similar range. The greenback was subject to profit taking as investors unwound some long bids after a month of strong gains. Strength in the euro, which jumped 0.5% on Monday, also weighed on the greenback, as investors priced in more steep interest rate hike by European Central Bank this year. The bank hiked rates by a record 75 basis points as last week, as it struggled to combat previously unseen levels of inflation. The main point of focus this week is US consumer price inflation data due on Tuesday, which is largely expected to dis- to dictate the path of the dollar in the near term. Markets are expecting inflation to retreat further from highest hits earlier this year, helped largely by easing full prices, but the reading is still expected to be well above the Federal Reserve annual target of 2%. The central bank has indicated repeatedly that it will keep raising interest rates sharply until inflation shows clear signal of raising its target. Markets are pricing in an over 90% change of a 75 basis point hike by the Fed next week. Strength in dollar and a narrowing gap between ASEAN and US. Lending rates saw most regional currencies drop sharply against the greenbacks this year. The Japanese yen was among the worst hit by this, dropping to levels last seen during the Asian financial crisis in 1990 and 78. The Bank of Japan's reluctance to raise interest rates is also a key factor in the yen weakness. Weakness in the yen drew renewed calls from government officials to intervene in currency markets, although no such measures have been outlined so far. Sentiment toward Asian market was also somewhat dented by a research report that the US intends to place more curb on technology export to China. The move could draw retaliation from Beijing, sparking another trade war between the two countries. The Thai baht fell the most among Southeast Asian currencies, losing 0.3%. GN Store North ES report on Saturday second quarter earnings that beat analyst forecasts and refine that topped expectation. GN Store North AS announced earnings per share of KR 2.72 on refund or KR 4.86B. Analysts followed by Investing.com anticipate on refund of KR 4.8B. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Bye.